Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you have tenant admin or site owner rights. Without those, you can't create a global communication site. Next, open the Sharepoint home, click Create Site, and select Communication Site. Choose Topic, Showcase, or Blank based on your goal. Once done, enter a clear site name, URL, default language, and sensitivity label so permissions inherit correctly. This sets the foundation. Make sure to choose a descriptive site name so navigation and search work smoothly later. Now you design the page. Start with the header, add logo and top navigation for consistent branding. Then create sections and drop and web parts. Hero for visuals, news for announcements, events and quick links for actions, and image gallery to engage readers. Once the layout is usable, configure site permissions. Assign owners, members, and visitors roles so only intended users can edit. Also review external sharing settings and group membership. This prevents accidental oversharing while keeping collaboration fluid. Finish by previewing and publishing your pages. Schedule posts if you need timed communication. Then connect the site to a hub site and apply your global theme so branding and navigation are unified across sites. Monitor usage via site analytics to measure engagement. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Confirm permission inheritance and sharing links, clear browser cache, check affected web part configuration, and review Sharepoint admin logs for errors. If issues persist, revert recent changes or restore a previous page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.